Taking a screenshot on a Mac is quick and easy once you know the right keyboard shortcuts. Whether you want to capture the entire screen, a specific window, or just selected area, macOS includes built-in screenshot tools that make the process simple. No additional apps required. In this guide, I will show you the easiest ways to take screenshots on your Mac and explain where your screenshots are saved. If you want to capture everything currently displayed on your screen, press Shift plus Command plus 3 on your keyboard. Your Mac will instantly take a screenshot. By default, the screenshot will be saved to your desktop. If thumbnail previews are enabled, you will briefly see a small preview in the corner of your screen. You can click it to edit the screenshot before it's saved. To take a screenshot of only part of your screen, press Shift plus Command plus 4. Your cursor will change into a crosshair. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture. Release the mouse or trackpad to take the screenshot. The screenshot will automatically be saved. If you only want to capture a single app or window, press Shift plus Command plus 4 and then press the spacebar. Your cursor will turn into a camera icon. Click the window you want to capture. Only that window will appear in the screenshot, complete with its shadow effect. macOS also includes a built-in screenshot app with additional options. To open it, press Shift plus Command plus 5. The screenshot toolbar will appear at the bottom of your screen. From here, you can capture the entire screen, capture a selected window, capture a selected portion, record your entire screen, record part of your screen, and change where screenshots are saved. You can also set timers and other screenshot preferences. So, where are the screenshots saved? By default, screenshots are saved to your desktop with names like screenshot followed by date and time. If you have changed the save location in the screenshot toolbar, they will be saved to your chosen folder instead. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone, Mac and iPad tips. Thanks for watching.